Okay,
Say.
it's recording.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Stefan.
I'm Alwyn.
And we have two other team members, Aditi and John. We're doing HelloSpace. The world is yours. So here's our crew. Again, it's the four of us. Aditi was a front-end software engineer along with me, so we did a lot of the CSS, HTML, JavaScript. And then John and Owen were more on the back-end side. Owen?
Yeah, so on the back end, we had a Java server and we had a REST API built in Python to connect to that.
And basically our mission, we were inspired because the skywalking is really popular these days. We know that like 250 million people watched the 2019 solar eclipse, but only 12 million saw the eclipse, like the total eclipse. That's like a 5.5%, which isn't like the best proportion. So, our app is going to help people who don't know or having trouble finding great skywalking locations locate one near them so they can see the experience and like they can see everything in full. And it's also going to let individuals meet groups of people who share their passions of skywalking through locating nearby RV parks. And so our tool set, for front end, again, like I said before, we use HTML, CSS. For the design, styling, formatting, JavaScript to sort of integrate some of the APIs like the Google Maps, geolocation. And then on the back end, if you want to talk more about that.
Yeah, so on the back end, so there's a Java web server, and then most of the back end is built through Java. And then in Python, we have a REST API that connects to a Python web server that basically calls our two main APIs and returns those results.
That sounds pretty cool. I guess some of the valuable takeaways we had, just how to use like different applications like Java EE and Sublime, what a REST API is, like how it functions, and like being able to build one from scratch, how to implement the Google Maps API for geolocation, which proved to be useful when locating RV parks. And then some future updates we see happening are sort of adding, 3D models for celestial events. So there's like a blue moon coming up in October of 2020. So we'll probably have like some visuals there. Shooting star animation embedded in the background, just to make the site look prettier. On the tech side of things, having rocket launches be displayed on other Google Maps, so users can see, where they are, or in regards to their location. And then maybe just even having like a merchandise page where supporters can like buy space-themed merch with our logo on it, which was on the first slide. So yeah, thanks for watching.